Pumpkin Oatmeal Energy Bites. Be sure to wash your hands for 20 seconds before preparing any food. For this easy recipe, you will need 1/2 cup of canned pumpkin, 1/2 cup of nut butter. This could be peanut butter, soy nut butter, or any of your favorite kind. 1/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice or ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of raisins, 3 cups of quick oats. Combine canned pumpkin, nut butter, honey, salt, and pumpkin spice in a medium-sized bowl. Mix until smooth. Add raisins and quick oats. Mix well. Wash your hands again for 20 seconds. Use a tablespoon to scoop mixture into your hands. Roll ingredients into bite-sized ball shapes. Enjoy! Your pumpkin oatmeal energy bites may be stored in the fridge for up to 1 week or stored in the freezer for up to 2 months, but they're so yummy, you'll probably want to eat them faster.